Hello everyone, how to make a Gmail account. First, search for Gmail in the browser. Then click here in the first link, which is from google.com. When you click it, you get here and then you have create account. You have two options, for yourself or for your business. I'm making a personal email, so for myself. Then fill in your information. Let me write, for example. So let me write the username which is used for the email. Let me write check.tech. Let me see. When I click here, it says that this username is taken, so I have to try another one. So let me write 2020, also taken. 2021, it's not taken. Also, it gives you another suggestion you can use already, but this one is not taken, so I can use it. Then put some password. Then I click next. Then continue filling out these forms. After reading the terms, you can agree. And that's all. You got your Gmail. Congratulations.